Hi everybody, my name's Emily. We're here at MarineMax Dallas today and we're going to take a tour of a 2025 Harris 230 cruiser in the color Seafoam. Alright, so starting in the back of this boat we have a swim step, so you just unplug it right here, it folds down. What's really nice about this feature is that it makes it easy for dogs to get into the boat, so that's a big plus on my end. You can also sit on it and enjoy the water, and you have a better look at watching your kids while they swim around. We also have a 150 Mercury, so lots of power on this boat, and then our swim ladder. So we're now up on top of this Harris pontoon. We have a very sturdy tow bar right here, perfect for tubing with your kids. One really cool thing about the Harris pontoon line that a lot of other pontoon lines don't have is the stern safety fencing. And so you're actually, while the boat's moving, you're able to sit back here as long as you have these chains going across here and keep you safe while you're riding. So coming back into this, we have a cooler under there, and then even more storage on here. This boat is great and filled with lots of storage. A really cool feature about this option, or this layout option, is that all you have to do is lift this up and you can face this way. You can also remove this cushion and this will go all the way down and you can lay flat. So as you can see now with the whole view of the boat, there's lots of open seating back here. You can fit a ton of people. Here you have a trash can, and then you have cup holders located throughout the boat. You also have a USB plug-in back there, as well as a USB-C plug-in right here. Speakers throughout the boat. You have a double bimini, which is really nice. It'll provide you shade from the front of the boat all the way to the back of the boat. And then coming up onto the dash, you have a Simrad screen, so you can see the bottom of the lake. They did a really nice job with the technology on this boat. If you come forward, you have a side entrance, so you can hop off, do some flips while you're in the water. In-floor storage down here. And then of course, even more seating. These seats are super comfortable, and you can also exit the front of the boat up here as well. So my name's Emily. Thank you for watching this video on a 2025 Harris 230 cruiser, and come check it out at MarineMax Dallas.